Hi friends, I'm back. I wanted to read another book to you about shapes, but before I pull my book out, I just wanted to pull some shapes out to share with you to see if you remember what they are. And I tried to be tricky. I changed the colors from last time. So this first shape is this one. Do you remember what this is called? This one is a square and it's red. It's a red square. I also have this shape. Do you remember this one? This is a rectangle. This is a blue rectangle. I have this guy. Do you remember what he is? A circle. And this one is green. A green circle. And this one. Do you remember this one? A triangle. And this one's yellow, so it's a yellow triangle. And I thought we could read a book again with these shapes. So I have this book right here. I'm sure some of you know who this guy is. Who is that? That's Big Bird. And he has a book about shapes. Let's take a look. What shape do you see in Elmo's dollhouse? Take a close look. He's got windows and a door and a chimney. What shape do you see? It's a rectangle, just like this one down here. Take a look at this page. What shape is Henry's ball? Take a look at that. It's a circle, just like this one down here. Okay, let's try another one. This one's good. What shape are Cookie Monster's brownies? I love brownies. Look close. It's a square. What shape do you see in Ernie's boat? Right here, I see 3 shapes. Which one is that? Those are all triangles, like this one. All right. Ooh, look at our friend Elmo. This is a tricky page because Elmo wants you to find the square. Take a close look and see if you can find it. Did you find it? It's right here in his painting. There's the square. Let's look at Grover. He wants you to find the circle. Look at his picture. Did you find it? It's right here in the middle. There's the circle. And over here, we need to find the rectangle. Oh, there's a lot of shapes here. Can you pick out the rectangle? It's right here at the bottom. Ooh, how about this page? Can you find the triangle? Take a close look. Here it is, right there in the balloons. Ooh, look at this page right here. Can you find the circle? There's a lot of shapes right there. Look close. It's sitting right here. The circle. Cookie Monster is probably shopping for cookies. And if you look, he's got a bunch in his shopping cart. But Cookie Monster wants you to find the triangle. See if you can find it. It's hiding right there. Looks like it's hiding between the ketchup bottles. How about this page with Bert? Bert wants you to find the square. Take a look at all those shapes. Can you find the square? Here it is, right there. I really enjoyed finding shapes with you today, and I always love reading books with you guys. I hope today while you're at home you walk around and you can notice shapes around your house, or go for a walk outside and find shapes outside. They're everywhere. I hope you guys have a great day, and please know that I miss and love you all.